Are you having a difficult day? A difficult week? Oh, a difficult year? And what does it mean, having difficult moments? What does it mean to you? Hi, it's Linda here from this Heartisan channel and Neutralizing with Love. And yes, today we're talking about how the invisible heaviness that's around can be neutralized through love and shine, magic. Because heaviness is just all around us, with so many people stating their opinions ever so loudly. And the waves and waves of fear that just bound through the atmosphere. There's no reason for it. And the fallout from that is that you just want to hermit and hide, don't you? I mean, I do, and then I don't, of course. But I feel sure that our light and our shine is necessary, is needed, and is a requirement for our planet. It's a requirement for the beings on our planet to evolve as per the journey, for their destiny, for our destiny. Does that make sense? And I don't really know why there's such divisiveness. And the funny thing about it is that often, as a sensitive being, you can just see straight through it and go, that's just dumb. Why did that happen? Why was there such a ruckus about that? So you get what I'm meaning, hey? But I have this belief that all of this noise, they're the dying noises of a great beast going extinct. The great patriarchal beast that's trying to hang on to its power on the planet. And this belief gives me joy. It gives me hope for travelling forward. It's fun too, because some of our secret weaponry, if you like, is love. It's always been love. Some other of our secret weaponry is the fact that we kind of look normal, so people just look past us. It's interesting, that one. Anyway, how does this affect you though? Like, really, it does affect you, you know that. But my point here is, people move into protection mode when things like this happen. And I don't believe that we want to keep using the word protect. I didn't mean to leave ourselves open to silliness, no, not at all. But I did mean that I feel using the terminology of protection infers that something bigger can get us. And I don't want to believe that, so I don't want to invest in that or put energy towards it. And to me, I have this goal, and it's this: what if we just don't believe in the bogeyman anymore? Do you reckon that can neutralize it? Can neutralize like the fearmongers? That random fear of something bad happening? It's your choice. So what do? I hold my love quotient high. And I take mind space time. I take meditative time to just sit in love and allow the love to spread. I use the form of love bubbles to spread love, because when they burst, little bubbles form, sending out love, linking with other love, and on it goes, growing exponentially and making impact in subtle ways that fill, that shine, that generates belief. And what can you do? When you can buy into joy, buy more into happy, buy into the magic of love traveling unhindered around the globe, around space. Believe in it. I don't mean to overspeak it, because this often leads to other people just scoffing and not believing. What I mean is for us, for you and other sensitives, to be the exemplar, to be the grand example, to stand in your power and allow the power to go, like to go out and do its thing. I just love it. Lose control and let your magic fly. Be the love sorcerer. Can you see that? Power to the sorcerer. Okay, beautiful being. If you've listened this far, I've given you stuff to consider and use as you wish. And hey, if my offerings align with your inner being, please press like on this video. And maybe you could subscribe, even get the alerts when my weekly videos come up. I absolutely appreciate and love you, and I'm thankful that you're in my world. I'm sending some of my love bubbles out over the airwaves to link with yours. Take care, beautiful beings. I'll catch you soon. Bye for now.